Day 6 of building German sentences without memorizing words. Today I'm giving you a structural cheat code to answer street questions without building a single sentence. Textbooks teach you that if someone asks you a question, you have to repeat the entire sentence back to them, like a polite robot. On the streets, if you do that, you kill the conversational flow instantly. Natives use structural bypass buttons. Instead of whole sentences, they drop single-syllable anchors that carry 100% of the emotional weight. If someone asks a negative question, you slap down Doch. If you agree, you shout Genau. Look at the speed. Kommst du nicht? Doch. Oh yes, I am. Ist das richtig? Genau. Exactly. Want to say absolutely not? Auf keinen Fall. Zero sentence building required. Stop repeating the question. Use the bypass. Hit follow for day 7, where we look at the exact legal parking spot for direct objects inside the mid-sentence tracks.